Imagine if you started every detail by giving the tablet to the customer. They then complete a questionnaire to capture essential information on their areas of interest, level of knowledge, or patient demographic. The subsequent presentation is then based on this information so that the remainder of the call is tailored to their needs rather than yours. How might this change things? In fact, the simple act of handing the tablet to the customer is powerful in itself. Research conducted in 2012 shows that physicians who touched the tablet in a call were 4 times more likely to have a satisfactory experience, which they said would influence their prescribing decisions. A learning for us all. What about some of the technical capabilities of tablets? These are being used in a variety of ways already, such as creating 3D holograms, which you may have already seen at conferences. These are invaluable in demonstrating a drug's mode of action and also make for far more compelling KOL presentations. And there is also the accelerometer and gyroscope, which measure the movement, speed, and tilt of the device. These are widely used in other areas, such as gaming, but so far haven't been utilized in detailing. Could they have a role? How else can we involve the customer? Gamification is made for tablets. From the simple to the more elaborate, we can encourage increased customer participation in the call. For example, the medical devices company who challenged customers to see how accurate they could be when using a new staple gun. The results were filmed using the tablet before they were plotted onto a bullseye. You can only imagine the fun customers had competing against both themselves and their colleagues to see just how close they could get to the target. And of course, the beauty of digital is that it is current and responsive. Imagine a scenario where you link a live patient survey to your physician detail. You could invite customers to take part in a quiz to see how accurately they can predict patient responses. You could post customers' questions on a patient panel, or you could post patients' questions to doctors, all in real time. Facilitating live interaction in this way helps you to keep the conversation going. In turn, this contributes to building a more complete picture of your customers, allowing you to better tailor subsequent conversations to their needs. However, although it's tempting, don't feel you need to use everything the tablet has to offer. An over-reliance on gadgetry runs the risk of being distracting. As for sales representatives, anything which can take time to activate during the visit can often lead them to disliking the tool. Whatever you use has to complement and encourage customer engagement. Beware of not interrupting the most important element of the call, the conversation. It's clear that we've only just started exploring the possibilities that tablet detailing offers in our industry. The question is, where does it go from here?